Hey guys, really quick, just finished doing a Sephora and Elf haul, so I want you guys to go check that out. But I am making some changes to this channel. So we are still doing budgeting videos, but they're going to be really quick budget videos. They're going to be like minute-long budget videos. I'm going to take you through my budget for the month, take you of what my saving goal is for that month, and bam, there it is. Just because I'm not getting as many views on my budgeting videos as I do on my hauls, on my fashion short videos, or my vlogs. I get more views on those than anything. And I'm starting to really like expand on my TikTok and my Instagram, if that makes sense. So I've been dedicating more time over there. But I am starting a few savings challenges for 2026. One of them is going to be a $5,000 challenge. The other one is going to be a $10,000 challenge, and a other one will be a Christmas savings challenge. I always put into my personal savings, so I will be sharing that with you guys. We do have a car fund and a household fund that I will be sharing with you guys, but I have a few challenges that I'm going to be bringing along the way, and we will be sticking to these challenges. So I am excited to see how I can hit every milestone. I have been working, y'all. Your girl ain't had no day off yet. I've been working straight through because Christmas, we weren't going to do Christmas at first, and then we ended up deciding that we was going to do Christmas, and we ended up spending some money on. So I'm trying to make that money right back. And then also I want to meet these goals in timely manners, and in order for me to do that, I have to hit the ground running. I'm not leaving no money on the floor at all. And also just, you know, I want to reach my money goals, and I know in order to do that, I'm going to have to put in some work, some footwork. Now, the good thing about me is my job is not really hard. I've learned to manage the stress level and like worry about what I need to worry about, and don't worry about what I don't need to worry about. If it don't apply, let it fly. So I minimize the stress on my job, and I just feel like I can do it. Plus, I get off super early, so I still have time to relax, do what I need to do throughout the day, and just unwind if I want to. So it's no pressure here. So I can do the job and I can do the work with my eyes closed. Plus, it's good exercise because I get to walk around. So it's no stress. My husband was worried about me being stressed out because he do not like his wife to be stressed. He do not play about his wife getting sick. So he is big on that. So he told me to listen to my body, and if my body tell me I can't do it, then don't do it. But I feel like I can. So far, so good. I'm really watching how I move and what I do. So I feel like I'll be all right. Yeah, I can't wait to bring 2026 in with you guys. So although I am going to do short budget videos in 2026, I am going to bring you what we're starting with, because I want to finish 2026 strong. So we're going to do a beginning of the year budget review, and then at the end of the year we'll compare. But I will be coming to you monthly to show you what we've saved in each one of those challenges. Those will probably be short films as well. I'm not sure. I will, let's see. I will try to see about making those templates, those challenge templates, accessible to you guys. So I will try to put them in the description box when I bring you the actual challenges. But I just want to come talk to you guys and just see what would you like to see more of on my channel. Like, because this is you guys' channel too. So I want to know what you want to see more of. Like, I want to bring you things that you actually take interest in. I don't want to just, don't get me wrong, I'm gonna still do me, because this is my channel when it's all said and done, but I feel like you're a part of this channel too, and I want to give you things and showcase things that you actually want to see. So leave a comment in the description box, and y'all know I read every comment and I try to answer every comment back. That's one thing I do pride myself on. So leave it in the comment section and I'll get back to you. But I am gonna go find my outfit for this Christmas thing. So remember to think smart, spend smarter, and have fun planning it out. And I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.